Alright, this is gonna be the continuation video to the previous Ditto clipboard that we're gonna be familiarizing ourselves with. Today we're gonna be looking into the search function or feature that comes along with this magnificent program and software. And let's jump right into it. First of all, we're gonna be opening our web browser, or maybe not that, we're gonna be refreshing what we have learned over the previous video, which is to call the program. Now, as you all know, that Ditto is not going to be shown in a window, but it's going to be in the tray, right? So we have it saved on our previous video. We have it saved in our start menu. So we're just going to run the program. So click on it. It's now running in the background, but however, we always want to familiarize ourselves that it is indeed running in the background. How are we going to do that? Remember, control open quote, and there you have it. And we want to anchor it, control space. So we have it anchored at the topmost window. So in any programs that we're going to be copying the clips and also pasting the clips, it's still going to be there. For example, we're also going to be calling our notepad, right? Notepad and our Windows, our web browser, right? So whichever programs that we're going to be going about, typing here, I love you, and then we're going to be switching into our other application as well. We are still going to have the clipboard on topmost. Alright, let me clear here again. Okay, so the search, what is the search all about? First, I have it bookmarked. I have the main page bookmarked. For example, let's say we are browsing the web and we have a bunch of clips copied. So I'm going to copy a bunch of clips here. Shift home, copy. The features, which I do recommend and encourage every one of you to read through, but it's alright. I'm going to be going through with you about the features of what Ditto has to offer. This is an amazing software. So we are going to be having a bunch of clips to emulate or simulate what we are going through in our daily computer activities, which we're going to copy. Definitely 100%. A lot of people are going to be copying clips that they will need to paste it over in other applications. So this will make it so much more easier for you. Like I say again before, that all clips, you can see that all clips are collated and dumped into this clipboard. We are able to access it in history. Alright, there will be a long list of history that we can search once again, gather and paste. Alright, so for example, we have right over here, we have copied all the clips that we kind of need to be pasting into our word processing application, or for me, just a simple notepad. So we have our word processing application, or rather just a simple text document, so a notepad, and we need to paste in a certain clip that we know in our minds that we need to paste right at this point in time, but we only know a certain part and phrase of that clip. So we're gonna hit the shortcut key, control open quote. Control open quote will get us to the Ditto, which we can navigate with our arrow button keys right now. Alright, we can navigate. Rather than we looking through the whole list, right? Like we say, we know a certain phrase, we are going to include, we're going to search through, we're going to actually do a search, and it's amazing that the search feature is in every single program they have it. It's going to be really great to kind of look through the history for you and to narrow it down to certain clips that we might want. So I kind of remember that the clip goes that it has select in it. So we're going to type the word select, just type it in, but you have to make sure that you once again hit Control open quote to call Ditto from the tray, but you still need to call program. So we call the program. We are now focused onto the window, Ditto window, and we're going to type in our keyword to what we're going to look through, which is select, SELECT. Alright, and there you go. We have a snippet of the clip. Okay, it's a snippet. It's a part of the clip that we want. We can, if we have multiple entries, for example, maybe we'll see entry. Okay, gonna backspace the keyword, or we can do to cancel the whole search. Keyword is alternate C. Okay, alternate C to cancel rather than to hit that backspace. So we're gonna be typing in to search through our history of entry. Okay, or maybe we don't. We don't. Okay, so for example, we type in halfway. The clip that we want to kind of search is having these keywords entered, and we have a couple. Now we're going to be looking at the snippets. We want to make sure that we get the right clip that we're going to be entering or pasting into our notepad. What we can do, well, there's a couple of ways. First is just to open and maximize your view. So we're going to click in the edge of the clipboard and drag. Alright, you can drag it up all the way, and we can drag it up this way as well. Well, now we can see it. But for example, you don't really need Ditto clipboard to be that intrusive, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to have it to our size. You can go about doing this to customize your clipboard to however size that you want to have it. Alright, by dragging the edge of the clipboard up and down, left and right here. But I like it this way. But how we're going to be going back to what we are trying to achieve here is how are we going to have to read through the clips. For example, you have 2 or 3 lines here, because clipboard doesn't display the full clip. Perhaps it has 8 lines or 10 lines. It's a paragraph. So how do we do that? What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to go to the clip, right click the clip, and what we're gonna see here is, let's see, we're gonna have to open the clip. It show the full description. There you go, F3. You can click, right click and click full description. You're going to see the extra lines that the clip is containing, which is going to be very useful. Okay, you can hit that escape key to exit the view. You're going to press F3 as well, which is a different alternative shortcut to ensure that this is the clip. Alright, let's say for example, maybe you have multiple instances. Alright, then you can use F3 and hit that arrow key to navigate through your filtered search to get the right clip. And for me right now, I want to paste this clip entry right here. Right, select entry by double click, enter key, or drag drop, hit enter, and there you have it. We have the searched what we exactly want in our whole list of clips that we have. Alternate C to call back the whole list. of clips that we have here, right? We do a search, just type in our keyword or key phrase, right? And you hit enter, or you could do F3 to look through your clips. And there you have it. You have learned the search feature of Ditto, which is very, very important, very, very useful, and we will continue to learn in the next video. Ta-ta!